Hello guys, welcome to my Bonfire Night video for this year. So yeah, how's it going? Well, this year we're not going to the Swainby or the Hut and Rugby one this year. We're going to a special occasion. I'm gonna reveal it in the next clip. One minute, I think I can see something which I'm gonna film the video with. One minute. Well guys, Bonfire Night. We're not at the usual Swainby place. Instead, we're at the top of Cleveland Bank. We're at Lordstone's Cafe. 1 minute, can I just borrow your torch a second? Yeah, yes. I've got my own torch in my pocket. I'm borrowing Ella's torch for this. You alright? This is Ella's torch. Spotlight. Shining a light on me. Yes. Yes. So yep, I'm wearing a big duffel coat. As you can see. 1 minute, I'm gonna get my torches, Harry. Shiny. Here's Harry.
To subscribe.
Yes, the messages. Harry's going to say those messages now and again throughout the play. Yeah, again we are at Lordstone's on the top of Cleveland Bank, and just over the top of the hills you can see Cleveland. Whoa, Harry, what was that?
I know.
Harry's wandered behind me like a gorilla going. Well guys, I'll see you in a moment. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. An even bigger roast dinner for me this year. I need to, yeah, a big roast dinner. More my chicken, beef in there, vegetables, everything. Yeah, get closer. Let's get closer to me roast dinner. I am going to be filming here first, and then once we get out of here, I am going to be filming at a chip shop in Stokesay. Wait, just a second. Huge bonfire over there. Yeah. Yeah. That reminds me, you know, it could be right with the House of Coopers. I've got the House of Sparks. Yeah, hey!
Yeah, I jumped on the cup.
Well, get the torch on him, get the torch on here. Say it.
Listen, you two.
Yeah.
Listen, you two. We're right near him.
I know.
What? Is it in this?
I think you can see him from here.
Yeah, it's the banter.
I just want to quickly show you something. Yeah. Just want to quickly show you something, guys. Since we're at the top, this is Cleveland. To your side. Over there. I don't know if you can see, but get closer.
Banter!
I'm only sitting Bambi again. Yeah. I've got yo. Yeah. 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 New big roast dinner. That means a good banana in for car. That jaw. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Joe. There's everyone else here.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? It's only just that.
I don't know why I just made that noise. I don't know why.
Where did you come from?
Well, do you know what? We're at the top of the Cleveland Hills, and you know, if we get closer to that edge, if we get closer to the edge, you'll be able to see the whole of Cleveland. You know, I'm not going to go too far forward, so I'm going to be back over there in just a couple of minutes. So, yep. Do you know what? When you're at the top of here, you can see the whole of your sorry you couldn't see me. What? I'm not going to go too near. I'm gonna stay here. I'm not gonna go too near. Don't worry, I'm not gonna go too near the cliff edge, but over there is. One minute. There we are. I don't know if you can see on camera, but that's the whole of Cleveland down there. Yeah. Here it is down there. That's Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. There's the time. You know what? 1 minute. Zoomed in again, just a second. Sorry, I'm just going to zoom back out again. 1 minute. I don't know. Can you see me now? Oh, there we are. Yep. Down there. This is Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. You know, excellent paradise. Well, anyway, I've got to get back now. What? Well, I don't know if you could see on the camera, but if you can see, well, there are little distant flashes going off. Those are fireworks. Me roast dinner seems to be nearly ready. I wonder how on conversation guy. Oh yes, my roast is nearly ready. Oh yeah, what for dinner? Turkey. Turkey, just give me. And they may probably go. Well, anyway. No. Here it is down there. That's Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. There's the time. You know what? 1 minute. Zoomed in again, just a second. Sorry, I'm just going to zoom back out again. 1 minute. I don't know. Can you see me now? Oh, there we are. Yep. Down there. This is Cleveland, Teesside, North Yorkshire. You know, excellent paradise. Well, anyway, I've got to get back now. What? To what? What? Well, don't worry, I haven't fallen off the cliff edge or anything. Yeah, right there. I did see a few distant flashes. I wonder, I've just forgot to mention, this Bonfire Night is a bit bigger than the one which we went to a couple of years ago. And, by the way, that reminds me, I see a little flash somewhere, but I don't know if you can see on my camera, but I think I can see another bonfire over there as well. So, yep. There's lots of people coming over here to have a look, check out the view and everything. Where's the edge? Oh, the edge. Well, there's something I forgot to do, flash it around, I'm just gonna. So, I usually do it. There's something which I usually do every year. Sometimes, for the last few years, when I've been doing. Ooh, I'm zoomed in. 1 minute. Oh, there we go. And I remember there was a few things which I do where I'd usually flash the torch, and I was flashing the torch at me. Just 1 minute. There's a right there. Hello. A fire. Listen. Right there.
My hand's cold.
Yeah. What if Sonny Full's nose is going? Why do only roasting? Why do only roasting? What's his work? Well, anyway, just you know. Well, anyway, I'm just going to you know. Well, anyway, in a moment we're gonna go to the fire and get warm, and get roasted. We're gonna get roasted for dinner. I know, but it's not people going like, yeah, wheels on the bus, get round the What? Where? Where's it going off? Where's it going off? Everywhere. Ah, okay. Where? Up. Where? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. I see a few going off. I see some going off every. I think now on camera, I think you can see. I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see some fireworks going off right over there. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Just a second, I think the pants are falling down. I've got to pull them off. I'll see you guys in a minute.
I wonder how many hundreds of years have been doing this campaign?
Since Sky Park.
Since Sky Park. 1800 or
I apologise if I've zoomed in again, but can you feel the heat? Can you feel the heat? Can you feel the heat?
You know, this reminds me of Bonfire Night when we were kids. We used to have big papers wrapped in foil. We had been watching the bonfire. We used to eat your daisy tea.
Yeah, me.
Then you used to go and get the hot chocolate. I don't know, I can't remember.
Oh, well, yes, you know what?
But it was lovely.
David Jason's roast dinner was ready. He was quite.
Then
He
we
was
used to eat
like, you know
coffee
what?
apple.
This. Oh man, can you get me torched out just a second? Cheers, zoom out. Do you know what? It's like. Do you know what? Joe, can you feel the heat, guys, from here? Because we can certainly feel this heat. Spark in the fire of the night. The night sky fox is burned to dust. Well, anyway, I'm not going to do a Halloween laugh. It's not Halloween. Alright, so, hello, again. Hello, can you feel the bonfire's heat from here?
Yeah, it's really warm.
Ellen, Harry, right there. I don't know if you can see, there he is. You've seen him earlier on in this video. You'll probably see him later on again. Right there.
It's warm in my legs, so I'm doing my legs getting warm.
I will be filming the fireworks set in this next clip, so stay tuned, or as Uncle Albert may say. Oh, yes, the moose is coming up. Coming right down. Yep.
Whistles talking about this, and then you see him right behind you.
That's what I said to him. I said, don't by accident call him that to his face.
Yeah, and it's the bum whistle.
You know what? I'm most probably going to be filming Bonfire Night. I mean the fireworks, sorry, I'm getting my words muddled up now in the next clip, so yeah. Just need to get warm, 1 minute, yeah. Right, right there. Oh, do you know what? The closer you get, the warmer you get. That's, yeah, yeah. I hope there's no, I hope there's nobody in that fire who died in there. I'm joking, there isn't. Nobody in there except burning wood and everything. And that bonfire night's cooking up my roast dinner. It's nearly ready on the dot of going. Your crown dust is ready. Your crown pie is ready. Oh, good. So, your dinner's ready. Yeah, but maybe after this, if I do spot anybody who I know here, and if they want to get on camera, I'll film them. Possibly. Sorry, I can feel why I talked a little bit.
Yeah, that was a bit poor, wasn't it?
Well, anyway, next clip, fireworks. This clip,
Yeah.
bonfire. I saw an episode of Wheels of Gummidge on the internet some time ago, and Wurzel accidentally got burned on the bonfire. He was like, ew, who's this? He was like, Wurzel,
Now up this way, close to disobey me. You get thrown on the bonfire.
he has some sort of guy. Oh, he goes like, on the bonfire. You know, so yeah. Well, anyway, fireworks next clip. So here, go a quick look at the fireworks. I just saw somebody from the other end take a photo of this bonfire. So yep. Yep. Well, mate, and when it gets to 3 minutes, I'll stop the clip and I'm going to take a photo of this bonfire.
Remember the Wednesday, 5th of November.
Yeah. Remember the 5th of November. Oh, yep.
Oh, you just got the hidden headset.
That bonfire guys down there, do it really clear,
Hey! Oh, you're not. This bonfire night's excellent. I'm gonna film the fireworks now. Hey! It's fire! What's happening? Ride yourself, that's all. My camera's warming up a bit. Right, Nick, right over the moon. Over the moon and far away.
Look at that one, look at that one.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah.
This is Jimmy right up now. What a coincidence. Bonfire night on a full moon. What a surprise. What a great treat for everyone. Finns cannot get better than this. And I know this is a little bit unusual. Bonfire night on a full moon. So, yep. Bonfire, my roast dinner. People have started eating it now.
Oh, that's a bit long, isn't it?
Yay!
Going up together. I don't know. What should I wear?
Oh, that's a big one.
That was a big one, wasn't it? Wow. Oh. Those are good. Those ones. I like those ones. Wow.
Hey! I don't know if you could, off camera, I could see the moon going a little bit blurry a little bit. I don't know why, but you know. Oh, God, you'll probably act like a cowboy guy.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to pick you from the table. I'm joking. Oh, baby. Woo!
Hey. But Molly, the moon's going blurry again. Hey. I got my camera out just in time as the fireworks started setting off.
Let me just stand up here. 'Cause I can't
Okay.
think of them.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh! Hey! Ooh, very good one. I'll do a quick after this. I'll do a quick kind of food run. That was a big one. Another one coming. Ooh. Hey! Woo! It's a full moon. Remember the dirt. My sparker's cacking tonight, eh? Hey! Hey, I wonder if I could Granville, mate. I bet the people have open arms, Grant.
Oh, hey, Granville. Let's just park, guys.
You know. The fires are rocking, Granville, and they're firing it all over into the sky.
Dangerous to be too near the fire.
Yeah, back.
We'll take up.
So it was like, ahoy, hey, woo, hey, hey, woo, fireworks, baby.
Come on, tell us.
Oh. There we are. Just like hurry. Yes. Yeah. getting some really good quality footage on there for my channel. This is an amazing fireworks, like paradise. Stars in. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey! Woo!
Bigger.
Yeah, they're getting
Getting bigger.
yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. This reminds me of other cannons and tanks in a warfield, battlefield, right? Boom, 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 boom. Ow. One minute, I'm gonna get the torch out. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah! Oh, they're all getting bigger. Hey!
Wow.
Yeah. We should come here again next year. Yeah. You know what? The next place we're going to go to now is Bastleton's Fish Bar. So yep. And there was a bit last year I was saying, I was trying to find him, I couldn't find him. I just went like. Well, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video over here, and so yep, I'll see you guys at the chip shop. Peace.
Like them, they're right in front of it. They don't even know we're here. How can you not hear?
There's no cars behind them.
I know that was a tract all sorts of unwanted.
It's not moving. Yeah, just got like bend back a little bit.
In front of us.
Just edge your way forward and I'll move gradually.
Yeah, if they
And I stopped
realise.
that woman.
Oh dear.
Standing right in front of the car.
She didn't realise.
I know we're trying to get out of. I know we're trying to get out of this car. Trying to get out of here, and there's a little bit of a queue outside. A little bit of queue outside, as you can see. But this is a little bit similar to we were deciding we were going to decide to go to Stockton, and it reminded us a bit of this. And well, you know what? I think we're probably going to be stuck here just for a while. But this is the last clip I'm going to make before we nip down to the chip shop. And well, so yep, right there. And I know what. I know if everyone
This is what you look like, Alan.
crushed between them. Everyone is just walking down some sort of
And have you seen the sun? I was like,
I know. Anyway, sorry about that. Anyway, we're nearly out now, and one person I was going to mention in the video who I just saw is Jack Harrison, so who commented on my voice imitation to him. So yep. So, yep, thanks you dude, so yep. And I've just seen you earlier on in the video on the Bonfire Night,
where does
so,
that
yep.
go? Where does that go to?
Oh, Harry, bless you.
yeah,
Sorry, Harry's still the ride. Why no what?
Alright, I think you either put it on the bottom of the thing.
Why no? I thought we're going down the other side of the hill. And I think, and you know, I think we're going to be headed down to Chopgate and then go back on that way. So yep.
Alright,
Well, anyway, when we get back, I'm going to be doing a bit of filming in the new Bastleton's Fish Bar. So yep. There was one bit of the clip where I accidentally when I was trying to find everyone, and I went like this.
Yeah. What?
Alright. That isn't. Look one that isn't.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys at the chip shop. Peace. Well, you know what, guys, we didn't go to the chip shop. Instead, we're coming here to get go to Pizza Takeaway. This used to be a grammar school, until about 1908. Just now Pizza Takeaway. I've seen that thing over there in the corner. That's Doner Kebab. You know, really good stuff. Remember that thing over There's doner kebab. No. So yeah, on the biscuit, we've ordered a pepperoni and a cheese pizza and 2 chips and I think some salad possibly. I don't know, but you can see Just baking the pizzas right now. Baking the guts. Well, so in a moment, I think I'll see you guys at home. I'm just gonna well, anyway, I'll see you guys at home, you know?
Big ones, because I know you're all gone.
Well, you know, this is a treat, isn't it? It's not every day you usually have this. Margarita.
So,
pizza.
you've got 3 pieces, so
Ooh.
there's another cheese piece for you and me, Ella. And one for Daddy as well, if you want one. Oh, Daddy's got 3 actually.
I've got 3 as well.
Whoever
Carlton,
wants
me and you and
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Well, yeah, so yeah.
And then one left.
Stick into this. So
If
I'll see you
I
guys
want
later.
any.
The sauce I use takes if you want any.
Excellent, so I'll see you guys after.
I
See
will
you
come and
later.
check.
I was watching one of the YouTube channels.
By the way, guys,
that Irish
forgot to
fellow.
mention the next video. The next video's college video to about next one, so yeah. Excellent pizza. I haven't had this for a long time. Well, anyway, it's Bonfire Night, so yep, I'm going to say again, cheers. So to an excellent Bonfire Night. And remember the 5th of November. I'll see you guys in my room. And the time now, which brings us to the end of this video, it is now coming up to 39 minutes past 11. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this year's Bonfire Night video from the top of Carlton Bank. You were at the top of the Cleveland Hills where you can see all of the... which you can see the whole of Cleveland and Teesside. And so yep. Well, so yep, and it was a big change from the usual fireworks we went to, and so, you know, Hutton Rugby and Swainby, you know, but they were much smaller. And well, Swainby had a much smaller bonfire, but on the other hand, you could get food there straight away without a massive queue, because if you look in the later part of my video, you could see a massive queue of people trying to get out of the hill. It was a bit similar to the Stockton Bonfire Night display, which we would usually go to, because one of your members of my family mentioned that that it would still have several people trying to get out in that situation. So, yep. Well, anyway, I've got to say again, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Before I stop this video, I'm just going to tell you about a few of my future videos which I'm planning on doing this month. The video which I'm going to do after this one is, well, it's mainly like an extension to my previous college video, but if you haven't seen it, I have uploaded a brand new video of myself. I took my camera to college with me and I filmed the whole day. Well, except during lessons anyway. Yep, nobody seemed to mind being filmed, so yep, I'll leave the link below if you haven't seen it. And the next video, I am going to be doing a cover of a Marillion song from the Fish era. And that song is a ballad. It was one of their most successful singles ever, called Lavender, which, you know, has a bit of a children's poem in the chorus where it goes like, lavender's blue, dilly dilly, lavender's green. When I am king, dilly dilly, you will be queen. A penny for your thoughts, my dear. Oh, well, anyway, I'm not gonna sing the whole song in this outro video. And also, I have I haven't done it yet, but I will do a video showing you guys my birthday presents. I have got a new laptop over there and a few items I bought out of me money. I've got a few CDs over on the shelf over there, and a concert DVD, and a couple of new CDs here as well. So yeah, and also that reminds me, I am going to be doing another voice impressions video at some stage, but I have to think about it first, see what I'm going to do. And another video, if I do get any more CDs, I will do an updated CD collection video. The CDs are just on the rack right here. So, yep. Well, anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There is a highlights section coming up in this video. So, yep. Which will be, I think it'll probably be like about, 10-15 minutes, just like last year's Bonfire Night highlights video. So, yippers. Well, I'm first going to say thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. And happy watching to you wherever you are in the country. And enjoy the highlight section of this video. And also once again, thanks for watching. Peace.